Good morning, respected principal, sister, teachers,
Loud.
and my dear friends. Today assembly is being conducted by a student of class 10, and our topic is an ideal student. Every child is born with some inborn qualities. No one is perfect in this world, but we can always appreciate someone's good behavior and manner. An ideal student is one who is very humble and respectful towards their studies and towards their elders.
Loud.
Scoring high marks is not something that matters in life. Having a respectful attitude towards others. Everyone will love you and remember you for your kind nature. An ideal student is attentive enough in the class, dedicated to his or her studies. An ideal student motivates other students and creates a positive atmosphere in the class.
The student who learns his lessons regularly, avoid all those that who stand against in the way of study, is an ideal student. An ideal student must be truthful, obedient, and helpful.
An ideal student is not born ideal or perfect. They are nurtured to become ideal by their parents and teachers. The environment at home has a great impact on the way a student performs at school. The teacher also plays a significant role in the same.
An ideal student is respectful and obedient. They feel a strong bond with their mentors and seniors. They are loyal to their vocation and do not divert from their aim. They are constantly seeking out to learn new things. Not only does the ideal student loves their country but also works for the betterment of society.
Here are some tips to become an ideal student. Pay attention in the class. Listen when your teacher speaks. If you get distracted, you miss important information and you will have harder time understanding what to do and how to do. Second, take good notes. Solid notes can help you to learn better and effectively. You don't have to write down everything, but you can note down the important points that you will have a hard time remembering.
Third, do your homework on time. Schedule your time to actually get your homework done. This might mean watching less TV and using less mobile will be working in your studies. Go somewhere quiet and finish your homework on time. Fourth, ask questions. Asking questions show that you are engaged. Whenever you are confused and need clarification, asking questions is a great way to show your teacher you are paying attention and help you to learn better. Fifth, study early and often. Don't wait until the last minute. If you start studying as soon as you know an exam is coming, you will be more likely to aid the test. Waiting until the last moment or night can leave you anxious and unprepared.
In conclusion, an ideal student is someone who possesses a range of qualities beyond academic excellence. They are motivated to learn, involved in extracurricular activities, have a positive attitude, good communication skills, and a sense of responsibility. By cultivating these qualities, a student can not only excel academically, but also become well-rounded individuals who can contribute positively to the society.
Thought of the day. The ideal student values knowledge for its own sake as well as for its individual usage. He or she hopes to make a contribution to society at large. Thank you.
A very fresh good morning to all of you present here. I am Anamika, the student of class 10, is here to acknowledge all of you with today's headlines. A cloud burst in Gandarbal district of Jammu and Kashmir has damaged a road. Soldier killed, 4 injured as army falls attacked by Pakistan bat at LOC. Over 2,800 performed Darshan Yatra crosses 5 lakh in 39 days. Assembly election in J&K will be held in September. Neeraj Chopra does it in style, qualifies for Olympic finals with monster first throw of 89.34 meters. Thank you.
मैं का छात्र हूँ। मैं आज आपके सामने कुछ मुख्य समाचार प्रकट करना चाहता हूँ। समाचार नंबर 1, विकसित भारत का लक्ष्य राज्य की होगी सक्रिय भूमिका, कहा गया मोदी जी के द्वारा। समाचार नंबर 2, बाढ़ के कारण सीएम शिंदे का दौरा हुआ रद्द। समाचार नंबर 3, श्रीलंका ने 27 साल बाद रोका भारत का विजय दिन पर, मैदान पर कोहली और डगआउट में गंभीर दिखे बेबस। धन्यवाद।
Please get ready for the pledge. India is my country. All